Because Nigeria is not working.
We are not.
Anybody that have common sense will know that Nigeria is not working. As you can see, as everybody is Jakpa. Everybody is Jakpa every day by day. People are Jakpa. Abakari that commits, which Nigerians know what Abakari have committed in this country. You understand? I see an officer. So if you see a senior officer in police, you understand? That always the police they are the one. If you pick 1 naira, if you take 1 naira, they will put you inside bar. Look at what Abakari commits. Now, because of one thing or another, the mother died or this, you understand? You want to give her birth to go and bury a mother. That is injustice we are talking about. I tell you that I've always said that this country cannot work. The country is not working. This is not one Nigeria. And I tell you that if that an Igbo man that commits what Abakari commits, they can never be given bail. Ordinary medical checkup, they cannot give him man in nnamdikanu. Nnamdikanu requested for medical checkup alone. Nigeria refused. But now they resist Abakari 2 weeks to go and bury his mother. That's what I always say. I always tell you people that this country, is by forced marriage. It's illegal marriage. The country is illegal marriage. It's by forced marriage. That's what I always say. That hatred in this country, hatred that Nigeria have in the southeast, always show to the world. Everybody has seen what is going on now. The whole world has seen. The whole world have seen everything. The whole world are here. Their ear is open now. They heard everything now. Now they want to give him. They don't want to release him to go and bury his mother. After what is committed, what have committed? As a senior officer. Now you want to give a bed to go and bury his mother. What of nnamdikanu? Can't you give him a free edition, order 1 week for medical checkup alone? You refuse. That's what I always say. I always say it. Nigeria is not one. Nigeria belongs to 2 regions. I always say it. It belongs to 2 regions, the west and the north. Nigeria belongs to the west and the north. Where you are looking, if you look at Nigeria, if you look to it, then Nigeria belongs to 3 regions. The region, the west and the north, they are the one. But if you want to belong to everybody, what does nnamdikanu commit? That you cannot give him chance to go and do the name, to make the see his daughter. Now, because of it, then them. Of course, they are the owner of the country. Whatever they do, they will be free. Anyhow, they will be free. They will free them. But if it's an Igbo man, they are only Sunnis. They are only Sunnis. They will have justice. If it's an Igbo man, they are only Sunnis. They will bet you one side. But look at them. They always commit. What they commit, end of the day, they will go back here the discussion. End of the day, the case will perish. You can never hear the case any longer. But it's an Igbo man. Look at what they are doing. Look at how they using this former CBN governor. Emevre. Because they call it Emevre, they send Igbo man. Then they forget that Emevre work under Buhari. Emevre cannot take decision without the chief boss, the boss. He can never take decision without the boss. Without the commander-in-chief of armed forces of Federal Republic of Nigeria. Emevre just appointee. Buhari put in there. He can never take decision without taking order from his boss. No. Then look at how they're returning Emevre like a like egg. They do the romance like egg. They do it like say na slave. But now Abakari, they want to bring him to go and bury his mother. What a country. What a country, my brother. What a country. That is what I always say. That injustice we are talking about in this country. The injustice is always there. Injustice is always there.
To be led for those of them.
But let me ask you, to commit. Not that I will commit. They will be free. They will free them. End of the day. The case, we will never hear the case. They will die the case silently. The West will commit. End of the day, they will silence the case. Come to Easterners.
Nobody.
The whole world will hear about East. The whole world will hear. You hear about the crime.
Understand Simon Ekpa very well.
Then they will use Igbo man to the play drum. They will use Igbos to the play drum.
Everybody, to be on inflation. People are inflation.
That's what I always say. The Nigeria belong to T region. Yes, we belong to T region, the West and the North. They are the owner of the country. That is why I always say, let's go to the round table. That's why I always say, let's go to the round table and discuss about this country. Hence, you cannot give the one way belong to Opara. Nigeria can never be. This is party government. That's what they are doing. The West and the North. The North and the West. The West and the North. The West and the North. That's what Nigeria belongs to. You can see what is going on. You can see how they are romancing, how they are playing their mass, how they are playing their game. Look at it. Because of this Anabusa man, now they want to free him to go and bury his mother. What of Igbo man? What of nnamdikanu? Give it out to go and see his daughter. Say no.
What we know.
Remove it for the DSS custody. Put it for the other one and say no. Allow it to change in cloth and say no. But everybody is enjoying there. Over the back. He said everything's free. It's okay for them there. Nnamdikanu to change one cloth. To change a cloth. Nigeria refused. Always say that whatever they saw, they will surely repeat. They will surely repeat against the Easterners.
And if there's going to be any kind of division, it's left for any.
That's what I always say it.
Let me give you.
Nigeria cannot work.
If you look at
Can't you region say that it's belong to them? When you look at it, if you look at it very deeply, you will see that the Nigeria system. He works for the two regions, the West and the North.
But a particular man called
the Igbo man is attachment. The Easterners attachment. As far as Nigeria is concerned. So what are we talking? The whole world have seen it now.
And when they said
the whole world have seen what is going on.
We cannot
the injustice I'm always talking about. The hatred. They marginalize. They marginalize against the Easterners. And you tell me that Nigeria will be? Let's go to the round table. Let's discuss. Give the one way below to Okav to Okav.
You think dialogue is the solution?
The dialogue will be solved. If they refuse to dialogue, let's go to the referendum. That is it. Let's go to referendum. Let's go to referendum because Nigeria is not working.
We are not.
Anybody that have common sense will know that Nigeria is not working. As you can see, as everybody is Jakpa. Everybody is Jakpa every day by day. People are Jakpa. People are locating. I mean, people are living Lagos, living north. So where they come from? Because the frustration is too much. Mostly the Easterners. Here we are. That is it. That's what I'm talking. Thank you very much.
Wait. And I'm sorry. I'll say okay. If Kyari were to be a common man, like normal person, do you think they'll give him that bail? If if na normal man be went inside bail, inside prison, do you think they'll give him chance to go for that bail?
No, because of his level. Because of his level. And be another man. Be another man also. You understand? Be another man. As long as he's a senior member of the society among them. That is why they recognize it. That's why they remember him. That's why they remember that the mother's late. That they should come out and go and bury his mother. 2 weeks. After the 2 weeks, they are talking about the bed full, totally bed. I had it. That's after the 2 weeks, they will come. When they come back, they will talk about totally bed. So the case will just die. Watch and see. That's what I will always say. The case will just die. Like the Magu case. Do you hear about Magu again? That's Nigeria for you. But if you are an Igbo man, they will make sure that Igbo man rotting over there. That is what the injustice that I'm always talking about. The injustice and the hatred. And Trabal is saying, that always say. That is it.
As long as you are a black man,
If I thought it's a common man, hence is for not, they would release him. They would release him. But Igbo man, you can never understand how the man go. They will just make sure say he paid for that custody. They will make sure say he died over there. They will see. Nobody will know how the matter. Nobody will know how the Igbo man go. He will just die there. But their own, they will cover justice. That is it.
Okay, Speed Darlington, Nigerian rapper, has come and said that Igbo ladies, that Nigeria should be careful, like young youth, they be careful of Igbo ladies, that they are promiscuous, they are greedy, they are selfish. What can you say to this?
Thank you very much. It's an musician, it's an actress, Abi. It's an actress, a rapper. It's a rapper, a musician. Wonderful. Let me ask a question. He that came out and uttered this kind of statement to the world, to tell the Nigerians, Nigeria should not marry Igbo. I know he has committed somewhere or another to Igbo lady. Before he jam maybe one thing or another to make it to utter this kind of word. Now let me tell you, no way. No way, we're bad, no day. No way, we're good, no day. He there for Yorubas, he there for Igbo, he there for not. No way, no day. How can you come out and say that they should not go after Igbo Lodi? Miss what? That is wrong language. It's wrong language.
Maybe talking from experience.
What was the experience? Is not the only person. Is he the first person? How can you just come out and utter that kind of word to the world? It's very wrong. No way, way back, no day. He's there everywhere. He cannot use one person and judge the whole nation, the whole country. He cannot use one person to judge the whole country or the whole Igbos. No, it happens everywhere. He can't just come out and condemn Igbo.
Now the one where they do, I'm
You
like,
should keep quiet wherever you are.
you know, tell the whole world, say,
With all that settlement. So people will not let cause against you. You should withdraw that settlement. It's wrong settlement. It's wrong settlement. It's wrong settlement. You should withdraw that settlement. Wow. It's an insult. It's an insult. What of if people come out and message is handwork, message up. He will say it's the devil. You cannot know, understand that is what he used in mouth to commit by himself. You just come out and condemn nation. He said you condemn the nation.
You never tell the whole world where the Igbo woman is good. Now wrong in the talk. You should remember that Cardi B, the rapper like you, Darlington.
Wonderful.
Cardi B renamed himself Chioma because he said that those people are too beautiful. So he can't commend the Igbo woman where Igbo woman is good.
Wonderful.
Now the bad one you see. I want to shock you that Atiku marries Igbo woman. Fani Kayode marries Igbo woman. Babangida marries Igbo woman. Darlington, go and do your homework well. You are lacking behind. You are making mistakes somewhere. Igbo women are the best in the world. Saudi prince marry an Igbo woman now, the 11th wife. Saudi prince in Riyadh is marrying his wedding Chioma, the 11th wife. Are you listening? Darlington, the rapper, you don't know how to handle women. Go and learn. Mumu.
It's very wrong.